Hi, I'm Hannah Ray, and today we're going to be doing a full body fundamental Pilates mat in under 10 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. You can go ahead and come to sitting at the front of your mat, feet planted, hip width apart, knees bent, and then place your hands behind your thighs and look into your belly. Chin to chest, round back, lean back, arms straighten. Then pull yourself back up. Let's go again. So when you go to pull back up, really grab your thighs and pull, engaging your arms. It's actually going to help you get better core engagement. If you feel your feet want to kind of fly off the mat as you lean back, don't worry. Maybe you can slide them under a couch or something, but if you're in the middle of a park like me, you can go ahead and just go until they lift a little and then pull back up. Let's go ahead and do that a few more times, your own pace. Maybe inhaling on the way back and exhaling as you pull back up. Really good. Let's go for 2 more like that. Last one. Very nice. This time you're going to come all the way down to the mat, lying back. Hug the knees into the chest. And we are going to go into an exercise called the 100. So for the fundamental mat, I like to have my knees at about 90 degrees here, knees bent. You'll bring your chin to your chest, look into your belly, and start to vigorously pump the arms, taking deep breaths in and out through your nose. If this is feeling pretty manageable for you, feel free to straighten the legs up towards the ceiling. This will make it a little bit more difficult, and it'll be even a little bit harder still if you decide to lower the legs. I'm going to keep mine up here for now. You can always rest the head if you get tired. No problem. Just keep taking nice, deep breaths. You're almost there. Keep pumping and breathing. Everything's super strong. Push, push, push. Nice deep breaths, and exhale. Hug the knees, rest the head. Nicely done. Now you can lower your legs down to the floor and just extend the right leg out and lift it up toward the ceiling. Circle the leg to touch your left knee. Bring it down to the ankle, around and up. So we're making these circles with the leg, gently brushing into the other leg to just kind of guide our alignment. Leg is slightly turned out. You're going to circle this way one more time, and then we'll reverse it. So you'll go out to the ankle to the knee. Very nice. Trying to keep the body steady here. Stomach is still pulling in. You're still breathing. Nice job. Go ahead and hug that knee into your chest. Give it a nice squeeze. Maybe extend the other leg to get a stretch in the front of that hip. And we'll do that all on the other side. Left leg lifts to the sky. Bring it into the knee. Slide down to the ankle, around and up. Around and up. Very nice. Keep that going. 2 more times. Really firm that right foot down. Push it into the mat. And reverse. Stomach strong. Breathing strong. Arms strong. You got this. 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. Hug the knee in, extend the right leg. Take a moment, take a breath. Very nice. Go ahead and bring both knees in now. Rock up to sitting, and then just reach for your ankles. If the ankles are hard to reach here, it's okay to be behind your thighs, but be on the ankles if you can. Come to tippy toes, walk backwards, and come into a balance. You're going to press your knees out wide into your arms, really holding strong. And just hold here while taking nice deep breaths. You'll see my spine is in a gentle, what we call in Pilates, a C curve, just gently rounded. You're going to start to rock this back and forth. If this is too difficult, you might fall over. That's okay. That's the worst that can happen. You're just going to go ahead and balance and do some mini rocks here. It's also okay to just hold this as a static balance as well. Just a couple more little rocks here, holding strong. Great job. Rest your feet. Scoot back a little on your mat and come to lie down just like we did at the beginning, knees hugged into the chest. You're going to bring the left hand to the right knee, right hand to the right ankle, hug it strong, and extend the left leg up. And then you'll start switching the legs back and forth. Remember, head can always rest down if needed, but if you can, keep it up. This position actually helps the stomach engage. Hugging the knee so it lines up directly with the shoulder. Just keep switching the legs back and forth. This is called single leg stretch. So you really do want to grab that leg and give it a good stretch with your hands. Nice job. Go ahead, hug both knees in and rest the head down. Take a moment here, take a breath, hug the knees. And then lifting the head back up, we'll do double leg stretch now. So both arms and legs are going to go straight up to the ceiling. And then you'll bend the knees back in, give both legs a squeeze. You can do this again with the head down if you'd like, but keep it up if it's possible for you. Reach and in. You might find if you reach the legs a bit farther away and the arms a bit farther away, you can make it more challenging. Just make sure the arms don't go behind the head. As fun as that is, you want to keep everything lined up with the ears up there. Last 3. Last 2. Very last one, reach out, hug in, and rest the head down. Nicely done. Okay, go ahead and rock and roll a couple more times. Come up to sitting. And you're going to extend your legs out so that your heels are the width of your mat, legs straight. And if you're stiff here, you can always sit up on a block, which is what I'm going to do because it feels way more comfortable for my back. You can use a pillow or couch cushion here. Arms forward, get really nice and tall. Then bring the chin to the chest, roll down your spine. So the stomach is still super active here. We're not reaching forward with the chin or flopping forward. You're gonna lift up and then over. So get tall, exhale, scoop the belly and round. So you're going to really reach up and over like there's a big barrel in your lap. Exhaling down and inhaling back up. Nicely done. Keep it going on your own. Legs are active, feet are flexed. Last one. Very nice. Stretch to the sky and press the arms away. Beautiful work. You're all done. Great job on your basic fundamentals mat. If you enjoyed this workout and want to see me make more videos, subscribe down below, hit the like button on this video, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me make next. Thank you so much for working out with me. Have a wonderful rest of your day.